Westermans here with a few more machines which have just arrived today, which is the Kemppi Minarc TIG 250 DC TIG. These machines are being sold fully serviced or can be sold as seen. As seen will come with the torches shown, air clamp and regulator and gas pipe. There's also a Minarc TIG 180 I believe, but that one is single phase. That obviously won't be around for long. These machines are actually came in from a college. As you can see, condition of these is very nice. Anybody doing DC TIG, stainless and mild steel, there's nothing better than a Kemppi. Obviously, no doubt somebody will actually say Miller's better, Lincoln's better, Fronius is better, but as these are nice and compact machines, they tick most of the boxes. More details available from westermans.com on these and other welding machines. TIG, MIG, sub-arc, positional equipment, seam welders, diesel welders, automatics, special purpose machines and much more. Like I said, look on westermans.com for more details. Thank you for looking.